One of the biggest problems with any CRM implementation is workarounds. Now, that's the little things that you do when you think, all right, well, I'm going to build it this way and I have to do something that's going to cost me money, but I can use this cheap or free thing over here and then I'm going to link it back over there. That's okay for the short term, I guess, but what you're really doing is creating a technical debt or creating a future problem in your architecture. Either you weren't collecting the data correctly, maybe you were breaching some privacy laws, maybe you're only allowed to do maybe you have to rebuild the entire system in something else. So you really need to understand how long you're going to be in that platform for. You know, think about the future, think about the things that you're going to do in your business so that you can proactively build the architecture around being able to use bigger, better systems that you don't have to constantly chop and change. Whilst you might save a few bucks a month on the platform, you might cost yourself thousands of dollars in re-implementing a system that wasn't, that you built out, and you were able to have this feature and that feature, but you couldn't quite get over a certain user level. You'll find certain limitations. Workarounds always come at a cost, and free is expensive. Please, please, please think about that when you are building out these platforms. If you do decide to build something and you do think about the long-term architecture, you may want to have a professional help you look over it, so to help you understand what some of the technical limitations might be as you progress. Imagine if you have a database and you've gone from a couple thousand people on this email database through to a couple of million. There's a very big difference in the platforms that handle a couple of thousand versus a couple of million. So think about workarounds. Don't do them if you can avoid it. Thank you very much.